Hello, my name is Akush Balog. As many of you, I'm working from home, living these days and spending these days mainly with my family in my apartment and behind the garden we have here where we live. But probably, as most of you are also chained down to home, and as we do, you have probably the same size of a kind of terrace or porch at home. And even if you don't get this garden, you still can make some effort and you still can make some good stuff at home. So these are the small video that gives you some tips and tricks.
You don't need many things. Things like pots or troughs. And as you can see, this will be the end result, where you can put some seeds of nice goodies. Within a few weeks from now, you can harvest one by one fresh, juicy radish.
And you can turn your home and your terrace to a productive small garden as well. You have probably these kind of pots, right? So can do easily leaf vegetables and herbs, which can easily be grown at home. It doesn't take that much space. You can simply place it, seed it, and just take a little bit of care of it. Trying today is a butter radish and a classic radish with the sowing tape. You just need some water, some sunlight, and this temperature already is good enough to start with. So I put some soil already to this, and you have two types actually. You have just the individual seeds, one by one, or sowing tapes. Planting time starts from March till August. Harvested within 4 to 6 weeks from planting. So it's absolutely ideal for home quarantine. So let's see what's in the bag. So let's start with this one. And you have a few meters sowing tape, including the seeds, as you can see that. And the next step is put those seeds into that furrow. So this is where the younger generation can help a lot. So, Boti, can you help me? Please place the seeds. You see? Even distribution. You can also either put it on the surface and just slightly and gently incorporate it. The soil coverage, if we have around 1 centimeter or half, is more than enough. Biology and nature will do the rest. Don't worry about that one. With the tape, you just have to cover it with half or 1 centimeter of soil. That's it. Onion. If you have small bulbs around at home and you want to have a fresh green onion within a few weeks from now, you can do exactly the same. Just put it in.